Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE that is called the Fans Edition. So we're gonna just check it out, this phone, and we're gonna just unbox it. I'm so excited to just put my hands on this phone and we're gonna just unbox it. So for further ado, let's get started. Whoa, that was an easy peasy catch, you know what I'm saying? So we got the phone here in the house. We're gonna just unbox these guys. We're gonna just have a look at it. We're gonna just see what's goodness about this phone, capability wise, gaming wise, and many kind of options throughout this phone which you can offer. We're gonna talk about the price range too. We're gonna discuss a lot of things. So enough of me talking, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Okay guys, here we have it. This is our device. Got my knife here with me, so as we can just unbox it and see what's happening inside. Just nice and slow, just like that. The moment you're waiting for, here we go. Woo, that's cool. It's really great. So here we have it. This is our S21 FE. I'm gonna keep this phone first of all aside. Now what's packed inside, we can see here and see what's going on in here, because the box is so minimal, keeping up like Apple how they do it. So let me just see what's packed inside here, so as we can know what's happening. So we're getting a USB type C to type C. Another kind of stuff, we're having this kind of pin whereby you can just use it to undock your SIM card or plug it in your SIM card. Another kind of stuff, I think, is some paperwork here. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, we get some paperwork here, quick start guide on using your phone. So you won't get any kind of power brick, so as you can connect it through this kind of cable, which I find it's a little bit like annoying, because if you won't get this, not everyone has a power outlet or they plug it in for type C, so you have to get it through a third party. Yeah, that's what Samsung actually did it. So it's really kind of annoying, to be honest. So there we have it guys, as you can see, really great. This is a graphite and it's really looking awesome. So there are plenty of colors throughout the S21 FE and they're really kind of great and awesome, but this one, it's a graphite one and it's really looking amazing. Now you can see here downside, we are having the USB type C port, and on the top there's no like jack or anything, so don't expect a jack throughout this phone. And on this side, looking really incredible, this looks like plastic or something. Yeah, this is like plastic, to be honest. It feels like a plastic or something, but it's overall a great thing. So let's turn it on and see what's packed throughout this kind of phone. So let's talk about the specification on this kind of device. It has an 8GB of RAM alongside 6GB of RAM, a different kind of variety. It has a Snapdragon of 888 5G, which is really incredible. It gives you 4500 mAh of battery. And another kind of stuff which is so great about the LCD, it's an AMOLED 2x LCD, and it has an 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, and it's really kind of awesome. A Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is really awesome, and an Android 12 One UI 4, which is really top notch throughout the new version of Android. It has a 12 megapixel of camera, which is a wide, and an 8 megapixel of camera, which is telephoto, and you're getting a 12 megapixel of camera, which is an ultra wide. And another kind of stuff, you're getting a 4K 30 frames per second up to 60 frames per second, and a 1080p up to 30 to 60 to 240 FPS, 720p alongside, and 960 FPS. So guys, we are presented with the One UI throughout the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and as you can see guys, it's really looking great and it's really kind of awesome. We can go directly through the setting to explore if it's already been updated throughout Android 12, but I believe that they already did that. So let's go to the software here side and tap on Android version. As you can see, we are just using that kind of Easter egg there, and voila, there you go, Android 12 through a One UI. So it's really kind of awesome. It's really fluid, to be honest, because what you get throughout this phone, it's really kind of awesome. Let us just see on the storage side so as you can have a clear picture. Now this phone comes with the 8GB of RAM and the 256GB of storage. So this kind of device is powered by Snapdragon 88, and it's really kind of awesome throughout that kind of Snapdragon, and it's a 5G phone. And you can see here we can go directly through dark mode. I know a lot of you guys love dark mode, even me too. too. I love dark mode. So you can see there we have switched to dark mode, and another kind of stuff you can navigate throughout here and there, and it's really kind of awesome. Another kind of stuff, you can check out the biometric, because you can add your fingerprint, and your fingerprint you can add throughout the display, I think something like that. So let us just try. Let us just use this kind of normal pin and set up the pin here, just like that. So we are using the fingerprint security here. You can see here I'm just registering it. It's actually fast, to be honest. Oh, that's impressive. That's impressive. I like that. Now it's that moment we slip the phone and we unlock it and see what's going on. As you can see there. Whoa, that's incredible, man. Okay guys, we at glance right now. We're gonna just go directly throughout YouTube, and let's check out how much the vividly throughout the videos it's gonna be, because I'm really kind of pumped to see how much the videos they are, and we see what's going on. It's gonna be really kind of awesome throughout here, and check out throughout the videos Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about smart batteries. I mean, you know, sometimes we're outside somewhere having our gadgets, and especially like a speed light or any kind of device which you have around which uses battery. Throughout the coloring of this phone, throughout the AMOLED, to be honest, it's really kind of vividly looking. Let me just switch to 1080p so some of you guys can have a clear picture what's going on. From this kind of batteries, you know how they are really awesome. It's a really kind of problem whereby you're outside somewhere and the battery has drained, and you know that kind of feeling, right? So today we have a solution. Yeah. Just have a look about the clarity of the video, how much it is. It's a 1080p right now, and we're gonna just go directly around here on the battery side, so you can have a vividly clear looking batteries. Just look at the detail. These kind of batteries, you know how they have. Look how much the screen it is, man. I kind of love it. The way the colors are popping, incredible. Samsung. We are on the camera side, and right now we're gonna just test the pictures on getting through this kind of phone and see what's happening. Our first shot. Wow, incredible. Let's see it. You can see here, you can zoom in and see the detail throughout our subject. It's really kind of awesome. And right now we're gonna just a little bit zoom in. You can see there we have zoomed in, and we're gonna just have a shot again, a close-up shot, and see what's going on. Really detailed. I like that. But whenever you punch in, you already know what you're getting. Pixels a little bit, but overall on this side, looking good. Another kind of stuff, we can go directly throughout ultra wide. You can see the ultra wide here, and having a shot throughout ultra wide, it's incredible. You can see you can zoom in again, you can zoom in again, and have your character there, but still it will be a little bit kind of pixelated. So that's kind of like a downside, but overall still it's a good thing throughout, because whenever you zoom in too much, you'll get just pixels. Another kind of stuff, let's go directly throughout the camera. Now on the camera side, gives you that bunch of options. Throughout the video recording, you can record video up to 4K. So you can see here 4K 60 frames. So we're gonna just record this kind of video here, short one, so some of you guys can see what's happening. So right now we're recording on 4K 60 frames per second, and it's really kind of awesome. Whenever shaking around, I think it won't be that much stable, but throughout here I can see it's a little bit kind of not bad, because it's a little bit stable, not bad that much, but you can zoom in a little bit throughout 4K and still zoom out throughout there to get a little bit like a perspective and see what's going on. So that's a 4K video of 60 frames per second. So as some of you guys know, Samsung, you can have bunch of options throughout the more camera. So as you can see, we're having the AR doodle, we're having the pro, we're having panorama, we're having food, we're having night, we are having even portrait video, which is really kind of awesome. We're having pro video, super slow mo, natural, slow motion, hyperlapse, dual recording. So dual recording works this way. As you can see me there with the camera, we can hit the camera here. So right now we are actually recording on dual video. So we are both recording myself here with the camera, and we are recording our subject there while we are focused on. So I think you can drag this perfect. You can drag your video, the camera of the selfie video, you can drag it anywhere on the screen where you want it to be, if it's here, so as you can see what's going on in fully, which is really kind of awesome. So this kind of feature goes throughout Xiaomi, but I like the way Samsung adapted throughout this kind of feature, which is really kind of impressive. Right now we're gonna see on the selfie side, we're having natural and even bright. So bright, it's gonna just give you some brightness throughout the selfie side, as you can see guys there, which it's really incredible. We can have a shot or use the volume. Impressive. And you can even change to wide a little bit, so it's gonna be wide, and you get your shot there. Impressive. And have a look upon our shot. It's quite not bad, it's really good. You can see there, it's really looking awesome. I like the selfie looking like Google Pixel somehow, but it's really kind of great. So this is the Samsung FE camera. I won't touch too much throughout it, but you can see the perspective throughout what's going on and what you're getting throughout this kind of camera. This is the S21 FE, which is a really kind of great and amazing kind of smartphone out there, which Samsung announced it this kind of month of January, and it's a really kind of great phone. To be honest, this kind of phone, it's a really kind of awesome because it gives you a little bit kind of those kind of features which they're not like the S21 definitely out of it, but what you get throughout this one, it's quite not bad throughout the way it is. It's just an FE phone, which usually Samsung give out that kind of FE stuff like Fans Edition, which is really kind of awesome. Talking about the pricing of this phone, well, this kind of phone, it's pricey. It's around 600 plus going there, so it's not a budget phone, it's an expensive phone. I wish Samsung they could consider having a little bit like a mid-range price there. It would be much awesome, because at $300, $200 you can get a great and amazing kind of phone throughout Xiaomi or any kind of brand which is so dope out there and have great and amazing kind of specifications. So for the Fans Edition, I wish Samsung they could just have like almost like $400 to be much better. I just don't mean to plan for you Samsung the pricing, but let us just be honest, throughout the phone for $600 plus, it's a little bit like a knockoff. But overall, it's a great kind of amazing smartphone throughout Samsung FE lineup of S21, and that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of video today. It's the S21 FE and it's a 5G. It's a really kind of great phone. Enough of me talking. We're gonna just see you guys on the next one. I was like somewhere, I don't know where I'm heading, you know what it is. So I'm gonna just see you guys on the next video. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace. And if you're new here, support your homeboy by subscribing, man. Just do it, man. Just do it, man. It will really help me out, because we are about just go to 4K subscribers. It will be awesome, guys. We produce a lot of videos, guys. Because a lot of you guys watching this video, some of you are not subscribed. Come on guys, we are the content creators. If you help us subscribing the channel and support us, that's the place whereby we're getting our cake a little bit, because we're using a lot of things. I don't want to talk about it, you guys know it. So that's what's up guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next one, and peace.